Including scrubs into my skincare routine has got to be one of the best decisions I've ever made, no cap. So in this video, I'm going to try to convince you to include scrubs in your skincare routine. Yes, I got to know about scrubs like a couple of years ago, and to be honest, I didn't really see the need of including scrubs in skincare routine. I mean, if you could wash with the face wash or body wash, why do you need to include something that is rough and then you start using it to scrub your body? I didn't really know any of that until I started to study and learn more about scrubs. I got to find out some benefits of scrubs that I'm going to share with you. One of them is that it unclogs pores. Like, so if you're cleansing your face or you're cleansing your body with your normal cleanser, it doesn't really go deep into your skin to unclog the pores and take off that dead skin, which brings me to my next point. Scrubbing blocks dead skin cells, and then scrubbing also brightens your skin. It also allows the products that you're using penetrate into your skin. So if you're using a body lotion, if you're using a face cream, and you notice that the product doesn't feel like it's working, what you most likely need is a scrub. So now that you know the benefit of scrubs, now let me explain that there are different kind of scrubs in the market, like a lot of scrubs. I've tried a couple of them, and trust me, they were not suitable for my skin. So it's important to find a scrub that is made of natural ingredients actually, and safe ingredients. Especially if you have sensitive skin, you want to be sure that the scrub you're using is safe. Where should you scrub? You should scrub your face and then your body. However, not all scrubs are suitable for the face, so you have to be sure that the scrub that you're using is suitable for your face and is also suitable for your body. I once used a scrub that made my skin feel very weird, and I started to break out almost immediately because the scrub was not suitable for my skin. So it's important that you do a patch test. So do a patch test to see if the scrub is suitable for your skin. Then before you even try to even use it on your face, even if the scrub is a face scrub, try to do it on your neck first. Patch test on your neck and see if your skin is going to react negatively to it or positively before you go ahead to use the scrub on your face and your body. So normally it's recommended to scrub twice a week. People scrub like 3 times a week. Yeah, it works for them, but if you're starting out, I think it's better to start with once a week. I've been scrubbing for a while, and I've been scrubbing once a week. I scrub only once a week. I don't want to irritate my skin, and so yeah, once a week is okay. Then if you want to go a little bit overboard, then you can do it twice a week. If you want to scrub, make sure that you're doing it on damp skin. Okay, you don't want to scrub on a dry skin. No, don't scrub on a dry skin. Have your baths. If you're scrubbing your body, have your bath. You're scrubbing your face, cleanse your face, and then when you cleanse your face and your body is clean, then you can now go ahead and scrub. And when you're scrubbing, don't scrub like you're washing the back of your pot. Scrub gently because it's your skin. You don't want to hurt your skin, so make sure you scrub very gently and take your time to do it gently before you rinse off. Now, I know that scrubbing is important, but if you have acne, please do not scrub. Scrubbing with acne is just the worst thing. Please don't even try it. I did it and it was terrible. Like, it made my acne worse and it made it spread. Like, it was just messy. So if you have acne, do not scrub. Also, if you have a sensitive, like really sensitive skin, you can do a patch test. And if you see that it doesn't work for you, then there's no need to do it. Also, if you have allergies, be sure that the product that you're using is safe. For me, I use the more organic herbal face and body scrub. This is a scrub I use, and it's 2-in-1. I use it for my face and also use it for my body. It's gentle on the skin, and one thing I like about this scrub is that I've used other scrubs. So this is a new one, by the way. The other one has finished. I've used a lot of scrubs, trying different things, and I noticed that when you scrub your skin, like the ones I've used, when I scrub my skin, it takes a lot of time to like rinse off. But with this one, it doesn't do like that. Did I sound like that? This one doesn't do that. Like, it rinses off very well, and then you could feel the effect immediately. Like, once you rinse off your skin or your face, you could feel how smooth it leaves your skin. Like, you come out of the bathroom and you know that I really took care and pampered my skin. So once I apply my lotion and everything, it just settles into my skin. So yeah, that's pretty it for this video. So let me know in the comments, have you tried this scrub before, or is there any scrub that you've tried and you really like? Please leave a comment so that other people too can learn more about the scrub. If you've been scrubbing for a while or you're new to scrubbing, also let me know your experience as well. I would love to read from you. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.